What is this planet?
Here is Earth. Earth is the only planet in solar system that humans live in, and the third planet from the sun. And it was also formed approximately 4.54 billion years ago, and it is the only known planet for supporting life.
Hmm. What are you?
Oh, we are human. Humans have five sensations and two genders, male and female. We need three things to live: breathing, drinking, and eating. We are living on land because we cannot breathe underwater.
Oh, okay. What are you eating?
Food. Food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for the body. It usually contains of plant and animals origin, and it contains of essential nutrients such as fat and energy and protein and vitamin and minerals to get energy and help us to maintain life. And you can try it.
Oh, please. Thank you.